Everyone, this is Coach Julio, and hope you're all well. So today I will be showing you a cool shoulder exercise, overhead press exercises that's unilateral. Many of you again have these bands at home, resistance tubes with handles. So for this exercise, you are going to need a light one. Trust me, you're going to need a light one. So I'm going to jump right into it. So what I'm going to work is going to be one arm, one shoulder, and specifically I'm going to work this region back here, which are part of your shoulder blade, part of your rotator cuff, and of course we're going to work the actual shoulder muscles, anterior and posterior deltoid and medial, etc., etc. Let's jump into it. I'm going to give you some other cool stuff that you're probably going to feel as you do this. So how do we set up? I'm going to hold the band in my right hand. I'm going to step on the tube with my right foot. My knees are slightly bent. Now, when I start the exercise, notice my elbow is lined up on my shoulder. That's the letter L. That's not negotiable. It must stay in that position. From here, I'm going to press up, then down. I'm going to step back a little to give you a little bit more visual. You can see. So from this position, my elbow lines up my shoulder. I exhale and inhale. Keep my navel drawn in. Exhale. Inhale. So I'm constantly always stopping at shoulder height. Now, I don't want you to press above your skull. You can press, above and the width of your head, but not above your skull. We don't want to do that. Exhale, inhale. And then here's your other little tip. Have your elbow or your wrist lined up with your ear or behind the ear. So I exhale, inhale, smell the roses, blow out the candles. How many reps? You're going to do about 15 to 20. As you do this, if you feel anything negative on your shoulder, you want to stop. If you feel anything on your lower back, on the opposite side, you want to stop. Why? Because the body works as one unit. If you have anything significant happening on here, it can also affect your hip on the other side, but that's for another video. So enjoy doing your 15 to 20 press. If you have any questions on the forum, just give me an email and post your comment.